Ever wondered why bees and butterflies are so important for our ecosystem? These tiny creatures play a colossal role in the grand scheme of life, pollination. Through this vital process, they aid in plant reproduction and biodiversity, ensuring the survival of countless species of plants and, by extension, the animals that rely on them. Their decline could have devastating effects on our ecosystems. Their role is so vital that without them, our food sources and beautiful landscapes could disappear. So what types of flowers and plants can we plant to attract these little pollinators? Let's start with some common favorites. Marigolds, with their vibrant orange and yellow hues, are irresistible to bees and butterflies alike. Lavender, too, is a hit, its sweet aroma and rich nectar making it a popular pit stop. For something a little more exotic, consider the butterfly bush, aptly named for its butterfly-attracting properties. Its long, honey-scented flower spikes are a veritable feast for our winged friends. Coneflowers, with their large, daisy-like blooms, are not only beautiful, but also a rich nectar source. And let's not forget about sunflowers. Their large, flat faces are perfect landing pads for bees and butterflies, and their pollen and nectar are plentiful. Lastly, milkweed, while less conventional, is essential for monarch butterflies, as it's the only plant their caterpillars will feed on. By planting these, you're not only beautifying your garden, but also making a contribution to the health of our ecosystem. Now that you know which plants to grow, it's time to get those green thumbs working. Inviting bees and butterflies into your garden is as rewarding for you as it is for them. As you nurture these plants, you're not just creating a haven for our pollinators, but you're also cultivating a sanctuary for yourself. Gardening is a therapeutic activity that connects us to nature and promotes personal well-being. Remember, every plant counts. Help our bees and butterflies, and they will help us in return.